Welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating my birthday and my friend Sara. I've done a few collaborations with Sara before, always a lot of fun, but our birthdays are both in August and we're both celebrating different milestones in our life. She's turning 25, I'm turning 39, but regardless, we both love makeup, so we're celebrating. And this may very well be Midlife Crisis YouTube channel, but that's fine. I'm okay with it. Hopefully you're okay with it. And this is the look that I created as if I'm going out and celebrating today, but I probably won't be because of COVID, but that's okay. We're gonna celebrate and do this look. So if you wanna see how I put this together, stay tuned. And again, don't forget to check out Sara's channel. I will have it linked above in the eye icon and below in the description. Here we go. Okay, so this look is obviously, you already know, celebrating our birthdays. This is more like if I actually went out, I probably wouldn't even bother going out at this point. I don't know. But yes, we're going to start from the very beginning, and I am going to prime my face. I am going to prime with Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. There you go. I just can't get over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some eye primer on, and I am using Marc Jacobs. Okay, so at this point I'm going to do the concealing and then the foundation because I don't really care about a beam of light going down my face like some people do. I want it to be lighter, but I'm already super white, so there's not much lighter I can go. So anyways, I am going to use ColourPop to conceal. This is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in, let me see, Fair 15 and Fair 05. Okay, so you see I didn't completely blend it out because I'm going to go over it with foundation now. And I'm using Becca. This is Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in Shell and Cashmere. I'm going to mix them on the back of my hand and apply it that way. Putting it on my hand rather than directly on a sponge or on my face helps me control the amount that I put on, which is kind of important for me. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I do have dry skin, and full coverage tends to be very drying on my skin, so I am going to take this rose water and just spritz it on my face. And I will be going back to that rose water multiple times, so but for now I am going to go in with some powder just to kind of matte it out a little bit more, make things look a little smooth. I don't bake, I just press the powder in, that's pretty much it. So we are going with Everyday Vacay by Ciat London. I love this because it has a nice coconut smell, and I'm in a coconut smelling mood. Going to go back in with the rose water because hydration is key. So now we got the face all primed up and ready to go. We are moving into eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I have Beauty or Brow Bar, and that is what we're using. And I'm also going to clean that up with, where is it? This right here. I'm going to use this concealer right here to clean it up. So I just can't get over. So now that we got some very serious eyebrows, we are going to move on to the eyeshadow. And I have two palettes. They are Violet Voss Best of Life. And you probably guessed it. It's because they have glitter in them. But I'm going to start out with some color before I go in with the glitter. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to be going back and forth between these two palettes. I'm going to start off with this color right here. Now I'm going to go in Best of Life palette, this color right here called Nature. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color right here called Family. And so you can see that I left the inner corners of my eyes pretty blank, and that is because I'm going to go in with this color right here called Art. Okay, so I'm going to take this other color called Friends in the Best of Life first palette and use that in the center part of the lid. Okay, so now we're moving to under the lid. I'm still saying the first Best of Life palette, but I'm going to use this one right here. This is Parties. I just can't get over. Now we're going back into the Best of Life one, and we're going to use this Inspo one in the bottom outer part. Okay, so we're going to go back into Art and blend out the bottom eyeliner or bottom eyeshadow on the under eye. So we're moving on to glitter. I'm going to stick with just the Best of Life 2 palette, and I'm going to actually use 3 of them. I'm going to start with this one right here, this one, and this one. And that is all going on the top. Okay, so since this is a birthday look and I love glitter, I am going to go back in with Best of Life 1, and I'm going to use this glitter and this glitter here under the eye, but I'm going to use a brush this time because I really don't want to get it in my eye. So we got the eyeshadow done. We are going to move into eyeliner. And for bottom eyeliner, I think, because this is birthday, I'm going to keep it festive, I am going to use Marc Jacobs Grapevine. For top liner, we are going with a basic black. Eyeliner is done. We're going into mascara and we are using Marc Jacobs. This will give it a nice full look. I just can't get over. Okay, so typically I don't normally wear false lashes on a daily basis just because I find them uncomfortable and a little awkward, but if I was going out, I would wear them. So I am putting false lashes on, but you'll notice the ones that I'm picking are not really crazy. They're just going to enhance what I already got and still look relatively natural. So this is what I am using. So I am going to go back over the top liner a little bit just to make it look a little bit more crisper and kind of hide the edges of the lashes. Okay, since again I'm not really going for crazy lashes and I want them all to kind of blend seamlessly together, I am going back in with Marc Jacobs to just kind of blend the lashes together. Okay, so those are the eyes. We are moving on to contour, and I do this kind of lightly, but I still do it. Okay, so I am using this brush here that I got in BoxyCharm. It's really meant for foundation, but I use it for contour because I like the softness of it. And I am using the GG Gorgeous Bronzer Duo. Bronzer is done, light contouring, because again I don't really do too much of that. Now we are going into the highlight. I'm doing the highlight and then the blush. So I am going to use two highlighters. I am using highlighter Covet Garden by Oprah, and then I am using Starlight. so I added a little bit more highlight, which is fine. We are going to go into the blush palette here, and I am going to use this one right here, and then I might use this one over top. We'll decide in a minute. Alright, so we are moving on to lips. We're going to use Private Society, and I don't have the color on here. Yeah, so it's got the lip color and the gloss, and we're going to use them both. I just can't get over. Alright, so there is my birthday celebration look. What do you think? Do you think it's fun? I don't know. I did it to match the sequins of my shirt because I was trying to be fun. I don't know. Anyways, that is it of the video. Please don't forget to check Sarah's video out. I know it's going to be just as much fun. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.